Doggy experiment with Buddy Fruit. Apparently dogs like Buddy Fruit. And it's good for them, so here we go. Okay, who wants some? Ah, wait, I'm not done. Sure. You hog. Come here. Little one, come here. You want some, little one? Be a good boy. I can't do that when you move. Here, little one. That one likes it a lot. Here, Harley. You're so elegant, and you're a pig. Move. Come here. I'm trying to get her. Oops, smart fell. Come here. He's found me. Yeah. The dogs like human food. Yeah. Hey, Erica, bring Trip over here.
Liz?
Trip. Looks like a hose. Oh! Look, dog's on my leg. See, look. Look, right there. Because if you start smart dog, you find it. Hold on. Yeah, stop. There. I'm just being smart about him playing on my leg. Itty bitty! Oh, it's more dark. It's dark in here. Let's go back to the light area. Come here! Itty bitty! What? You've never tried it before, have you? It's like, come on, one. Sorry to bother you, dark peoples.
Excuse me?
I'm sorry to bother you, dark peoples who don't like light very much. Oh, okay. Let's be smart about this. Oh, snap. Okay, here. There we go. This one for you. And it wasn't supposed to be meant for you guys. Nanny, look at him. Specifically him. And there ain't none there.